Remove the lids and labels from your bottles and give them a quick wash. Thoroughly dry your bottles on the outside and inside. Stuffing a paper towel into each bottle and giving each bottle a good shake should remove all the moisture or most of it from the inside of your bottles. Once your bottles are dry, you can now color them. Permanent markers are a must, as washable ink will not adhere to the plastic. Feel free to get creative and color and design the outside of your bottle however you wish. Once your coloring is complete, it is now time to turn your bottles into spirals. First, remove the flat bottom of the bottle, and you can save that part for any future craft project. Start at the cut edge, snip around and around from the bottom of the bottle to the top to create a spiral. Stop cutting when you get to the smooth, rounded shoulders of the bottle. When all of your spirals have been cut, head out to the yard and find a slender tree branch to hang them on. If you don't have any tree branches, you can always use a coat hanger. If you're using a tree branch, slide the neck of the bottles onto the branch and nest the bottle tops together by tucking each one into the other one. If you're using a hanger, thread a ribbon or string through the neck of the bottle and tie to the hanger. Now you're ready to mount your beautiful, colorful water bottle wind spirals outside or inside your home to enjoy.